Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Blastoise. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the head, starting with the ear. Draw a pointed shape near the top here. Next at the bottom, draw a diagonal line for the neck. Now from the top, draw a bump over to the right like this. Come in slightly and then draw another curve down. Then a small line in. Let's draw the eye now. Draw a sideways V shape here. Now on the left, come in slightly and draw a curved line down. On the inside left corner, draw a curve. Then inside, draw a small circle for the highlight. And now a small oval underneath and color it in black. Next, draw two curves to the right. Let's draw his nose now. Draw a line out to the right and then curve it back down like this. Then another curved line down for the chin, stopping here. Draw the mouth next with an S curve across. And now a vertical line at the end. Now at the end of the mouth here, draw a line out and down. Next, across the nose, draw a wavy line like this. Now inside the ear, draw another V shape. And then a curve on the left to close off the shape. Next, draw a curve at the top here for his other ear that's in the background. And lastly, to finish off the face, draw a tiny curve on the right here for the other eye. Let's start drawing the shell next. Draw a curved line across here for the top of the shell. Then draw another curve under and to the left. Now let's draw the cannon coming out to the right before we continue with the shell. Start first with the box shape that the cannon comes out of like this. Now let's draw the cannon coming out to the right. Then finish it off with a curved line under like this. Next, from the bottom right, draw a curve down here. Then an S-curve from the cannon down to close off this section of the shell's border. Let's finish off the shell now. Draw a curve from the top of the cannon over to the other line. Now draw a long curve down for the side of the shell. Next, at the bottom, draw a curve over to the right. Then a long S-curve from the cannon down to the left. Now close off the shape with a line across. Let's draw the shell pattern now. Draw a line across near the bottom. Then diagonal lines out on both sides. Next, let's finish off the shell's border. On the left, draw a curved line down here like this. Then a curve over to the right, just like the one above it. Then finish it off with multiple curves like this. Let's draw the other cannon and the arm next. On the top left, draw two small lines. Then connect them at the top with a curved line. Next, draw the cannon coming out the center like this. Under, draw the hand with a curve, and then two triangles for the nails. Let's hop to the right side now and draw the other arm. Under the cannon, draw two curved lines like this. And now a large U shape. And then another smaller one. And lastly, 3 V-shapes for the nails. Let's draw the right leg now. On the bottom here, draw both sides of the legs. Then draw a triangular shape here for the nail. Now close it off at the bottom with a line across. Next to the right, draw another curve here. And then 2 more nails coming out. Next, let's draw the tail here. Now curve line to the left for the other leg. And close it off with another nail. Lastly, let's draw the belly. Draw a curved line between the right arm and the leg. And add a few detailed lines inside. Now continue this line between the leg and the tail. And that's it for Blastoise. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.